Online Eskwela.
Huli and magandang Jensen everyone. We are now on the 6th week of our class for this semester and we are going to talk about the different air and water outdoor recreational activities and how it will benefit our physical health as well as our psychological health. So here's our objective for today. A. Appreciate the importance of recreational activities in their life through pre-recorded class discussion. B. Demonstrate appropriate outdoor recreational water and air activity strategies through video presentation. And C. Create a personal vlog that showcasing the importance of recreational activities by selecting chosen activities. So now let's start. Okay, yesterday we talked about the air and water outdoor recreational activities. Can anyone still remember what are the different air outdoor activities? Very good. So, some examples of air outdoor recreational activities are paragliding, skydiving, ziplining, and so much more. How about the water outdoor recreational activities? Anyone? Very good. Some examples are cliff diving, scuba diving, and other activities that involves water. Yeah.
Online Eskwela.
Okay, so for our activity today, class, kindly get out your pen and paper and answer the following question. This is a multiple choice, 10 items only, and every item is good for 2 points. This activity is recorded. So I think everybody is ready. So let's begin. This is a sport in which athletes jump out of an airplane. It is also called parachuting. Letter A. Skydiving. B. Paragliding. C. Ziplining. And D. Helium balloon. Again, it is a sport in which athletes jump out of an airplane. It is also called parachuting. A. Skydiving. B. Paragliding. And C. Ziplining. And D. Helium balloon. So number 2. This is a sport in which a cable that is suspended above an incline to which a pulley and harness are attached for a rider. A. Skydiving. B. Paragliding. C. Ziplining. D. Helium balloon. Again, it is a sport in which a cable that is suspended above an incline to which a pulley and harness are attached for a rider. A. Skydiving. B. Paragliding. C. Ziplining. And D. Helium balloon. Number 3. It is a sport in which a whole wide canopy resembling a parachute is attached to a person's body by a harness. A. Skydiving. B. Paragliding. C. Ziplining. And D. Helium balloon. Again, a sport in which a wide canopy resembling a parachute is attended or attached to a person's body by a harness. A. Skydiving. B. Paragliding. C. Ziplining. And D. Helium balloon. And now class, let's down to number 4. Blank is a physical activity is directly associated with improved outcomes for cardiovascular health, obesity, stress-related illness, and mental health. A. Indoor, B. Outdoor, C. Recreational, D. Hiking. Again, blank physical activity is directly associated with improved outcomes for cardiovascular health, obesity, stress-related illness, and mental health. A. Indoor, B. Outdoor, C. Recreational, and D. Hiking. So let's down to number 5. They are limited to the condition of a place where a sports is held. A. Indoor, B. Outdoor, C. Recreational, D. Hiking. Again, we are limited to the condition of a place where the sports is held. A. Indoor, B. Outdoor, and C. Recreational, and D. Hiking. So number 6. A sports played or practiced on or in the water. A. Indoor, B. Water sports, C. Water activity, and D. Water sports activity. Again, a sports played or practiced on or in the water. A. Indoor, B. Water sports, C. Water activity, and D. Water sports activity. So now let's proceed to number 7. Number 7 is any activity undertaken for the purpose of exercise, relaxation, or pleasure. A. Indoor, B. Recreational activity, C. Water sports, or D. Air sports. Again, it is any activity undertaken for the purpose of exercise, relaxation, and pleasure. A. Indoor, B. Recreational activity, C. Water sports, and D. Air sport. So now, we're already on the number 8. Number 8 is a small, narrow watercraft which is typically propelled by means of a double-bladed paddle. A. Hiking, B. Canyoneering, C. Kayaking, D. Diving. Again, a small, narrow watercraft which is typically propelled by means of a double-bladed paddle. A. Hiking, C. Canyoneering, B. Kayaking, or D. Diving. And now, let's down to number 9. It is the sport of exploring a canyon by engaging in such activities as rappelling, rafting, and waterfall jumping. A. Kayaking, B. Canoeing, C. Hiking, and D. Walking. Again, the sport of exploring a canyon by engaging in such activity as rappelling, rafting, and waterfall jumping. A. Kayaking, B. Canyoning, C. Hiking, or D. Walking. Now let's proceed, class, to the last number, which is number 10. So, number 10. It is a surface water sport in which an individual uses a board to ride on the forward section of a moving wave of the water. A. Canoeing, B. Kayaking, C. Surfing, and D. Diving. Again, It is a surface water sport in which an individual uses a board to ride on the forward section of a moving wave of the water. A. Canyoning, B. Kayaking, C. Surfing, and D. Diving.
Here are the answers to our activity.
Okay, for your analysis, in a one-half sheet of paper, kindly write 2 to 3 sentences about the benefits of outdoor recreational activities and how it will improve your overall health. I will give you 5 minutes to answer, and this is equivalent to 50 points, and then submit your answer in Schoology. Okay, time's up. Submit your answer in Schoology now.
For your final output, I want you to create a vlog with a storyline that will showcase the different recreational activities and its benefits. Make your video creative because this will also be presented in your variety show. I'm giving you 1 week to complete your vlog and submit to the Schoology. The rubrics will be posted on the Schoology. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned a lot from our discussions for today. See you next week.
Online Escuela.